What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the DNT token, also known as disctrict0x. For the first step you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, then you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get a free bonus of 10 euros of Bitcoin in your account. Once you have created the account, you can log into your account and then you will arrive at this homepage. And for the first step, we will need to go to the search bar and type in DNT. Now you see the coin over here, we will select it and then you will arrive at the token page. And for the next step, we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we want to use for the purchase of this token. So let's say we want to spend 1000 euros. Now you can see the amount of tokens we will receive after placing this order. For the next step, you can select your payment method over here. For now, I will leave it on my credit card, but if you have another payment method preferable, then you can select it once you click on this. If it's not over here, then you can add the payment method simply by clicking this button. And once you have added it, select it and go back to the starting page. Now, for the next step, we can click on review order. And I will show you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money on trading fees. Once you are buying coins or tokens on Coinbase, then you will pay a transaction fee to Coinbase. As you can see, we are paying 38 euros of transaction fee on this order. That is a lot. But if you want to save yourself this amount of money every time you buy coins on Coinbase, then you can use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for 7 days, it's free, and once you have decided you would like to use it for a longer period, then you can do the subscription to this free trial. And as you can see, you are saving the complete transaction fee up to 10k of tradings every month. So if you trade up to 10k of worth in coins every month, then this is very useful, because on every order you're already saving like 38 euros on a 1000 euro pay. So yeah, that is a lot of money if you count it up to each other. Once you have decided to buy this coin, then you can click on buy now and these coins will be automatically added to our assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!